Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I have two products here that I'm going to try out. This one I did wanted to try it out for a good while, but it was on more of a higher price, so I got it on a sale today, which I am grateful. And it's Covergirl Simple Ageless Skin Protector. So this is what I'm gonna try out on my face today for the first time. And then I am also going to try out this for the first time. Now this is the Garnier vitamin C brightening eye cream. So I am going to try this out also on my face today. So I already prep my face, and guys, you know, one of the things that I always try to do when I am going to wear any form of makeup or put on any form of concealer underneath my eyes, I always like to make sure that I do moisturize underneath my eyes. So if you want to see this, continue watching, my friend. Okay guys, I am so sorry. I thought I was doing a video and I was there talking, blabbing away to myself, and there was nothing. So I wasn't recording. So as I was talking about this Garnier and the eye cream, so I'm going to apply a small amount of it to my eyes. And this is an expensive eye cream. They say it have coffee and also banana powder, so it's easy to dissolve. It's not too thick, so I'm just applying it to my under eye here. And then I am going to put some. This is how it look, you guys. I think it's about $9 I paid compared to some eye cream. Very inexpensive, not expensive at all. And it does, you can see it does dissolve very fast in the skin. And look at my eyes, it looks so good underneath the eye. So as for me, I swipe it, but you can pat it if you want to, just pat away the product here. So this is the eye cream from Garnier with vitamin E and C, and this is the box that it come in. As I said, they say apply applicator and blend. This is what it say. And it have caffeine in it. It have vitamin C and banana in it. Banana powder. So this is it. So today I am excited to try this one out. This was something that when it just come out, I wanted to try it. And I see so many people using it. And I never get a chance to it because of the price point. As I said, I don't like to gravitate to expensive things. So this is the Covergirl Simple Ageless Skin Perfector Essential I have in it. So it's Hyper Fresh Tinted. It's like a tinted cream, like tinted moisturizer. So I am going to use my finger and I'm just going to apply to my face here. And then after, I am going to get a sponge and see if I can blend it better. But this is very, very, it feel like nothing, like you don't even have on apply anything. So let's show you how it look. This is how it look, you guys, on the face. I use tinted moisturizer already, but this one is the one that I ever use, and it doesn't feel like there is nothing in it. Like it just here, nothing in it. And I could wear this alone. If I'm not loving makeup, I could just apply this to my skin alone and go outside. I would need a lot if I'm not into makeup. But because I'm into makeup, I can wear this like sometime in the summer when it's time is very hot. So I'm gonna use my sponge here and try and blend it out and the skin and show you how it look here. It feel natural. It look natural. It don't feel like there's nothing here. It just really natural. You have different shade in it, and first thing about it, I don't even know the shade that I choose because it looks so dark, but when it applied to the skin, it doesn't look this dark on the skin. Doesn't look that dark on the skin, you guys. So I'm gonna use the sponge this time, and it have like a jelly grainy thing. I don't even know how to really tell you what it does like, but it have like a little jelly oily thing here. It come in, but as I said, it feel light. It feel like you would have just put on some form of moisturizer on your skin and just leave it there and nothing more for the day. So this is good. It just feel really, really nice. You don't feel dry or anything, and a small amount of this goes a long way here. So it's 30 ml. I'm gonna shake it up and see if I can get different out of it. I do like it, don't get me wrong, you guys, I do like it, but it's just that it's not something that if you're of a person that like a light tinted moisturizer, this is good for you. If you don't like a light tinted moisturizer, I would advise you not to purchase it. But as for me, I like to try out things. I like to try out new things. It's just that I stopped buying makeup the way how I usually purchase makeup. I don't purchase makeup that much because I have so much. And sometimes you learn, and maybe sometimes it take you a while to learn. Like, you know, it take you a while to learn about doing certain things and spending your money on certain things that don't really necessary. If it's necessary, then you can go off it. So that's why I haven't really buy anything in a long while. I'm on a no buy zone. So this is how my face look. It look like cool. I remember years ago when my mom usually put on Pond's cream on her face and it will leave her face cool. This is how I think it look on my face. So I'm gonna do my brow, and I'm also going to put on some powder, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I'm back with my two product for the day. This is from Garnier, and this is an eye cream. Love this stuff, you guys. It really dissolve really fast underneath the eyes. A small amount goes a long way, and as I said, whenever I'm doing a look, I like to use an eye cream. It helps not to crease my makeup. So this is from Garnier. And then I also love the Covergirl Simple Ageless. This is really light, you guys. So I haven't put on any concealer underneath the eyes. I just apply this, put it on my finger, blend it out a little bit, and then use a sponge over it to even out my skin tone. It feels really light. So this is for somebody that doesn't into a lot of makeup, just want to just put on something on their face and go through the door in the morning or in the evening. This would suit somebody like that. As for me, I love makeup. I like to wear a lot of makeup, but today I'm trying out this for the first time, and I know I'm gonna reach out for this again because it make my face feel really like skin. It's light on the skin, it's not heavy. You know, it just really light on the skin here. And you know, for a person like me who is growing up in age, this is also something nice to have. Like if you're going out, you know, and you just want to put on a little bit of thing, you can just put a little bit of this on your finger and blend it, and just use a sponge and just even it out on your skin tone. So today we are loving these two together, and I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do Subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell. When I do upload a video, yes, my friend, you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you. See you in my next upload. Bye for now.